Welcome to this Excel tutorial where we explore two efficient methods to count cells with string lengths exceeding a set value. Method 1 employs a formula with the SUMPRODUCT function, while Method 2 utilizes VBA scripting for added flexibility. Let's dive into both approaches. Let's kick off with a formula-based approach, leveraging the SUMPRODUCT function. This method offers simplicity in counting cells based on string length criteria. For example, if you have a range of cells in B1, B5 and each cell contains one text string value have different string length, and you want to count the number of the string length of each cell is greater than number 10. You can create a new formula based on the SUMPRODUCT function, the end function and the len function to check the string length of each cell and also get the total number that the string length is greater than number 10. Identify the range of cells B1, B5 where you want to count strings based on their length. In a new cell, enter the SUMPRODUCT formula. Equals SUMPRODUCT n len B1 B5 greater than 10. Adjust the range and the desired string length as needed. After entering the formula, press enter to execute it. The result will display the count of cells meeting the specified length criterion. Now, let's delve into the second method, a more dynamic solution involving VBA code. In our second method, we'll dive into the world of VBA scripting. This approach provides enhanced flexibility and control for custom functions. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications editor. In the VBA editor, right-click on any item in the Project Explorer, choose Insert, and then Module. Copy and paste the following VBA code into the module. Close the VBA editor and return to your Excel workbook. In a new cell, enter the formula equals count strings above length, B1, B5, 10, adjusting the range and length as needed. After entering the formula, press enter to execute it. The result will display the count of cells meeting the specified length criterion. By following these steps, you'll successfully count cells with string lengths greater than the specified value using both the SUMPRODUCT formula and VBA code in Excel. If you found these methods helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching, and feel free to share this video with others looking to enhance their Excel skills.